Welcome to our video on camping gadgets and inventions. Today, we'll dive into the latest and greatest gear transforming outdoor adventures. From cutting-edge tents and efficient portable stoves to eco-friendly solar-powered gadgets and versatile multi-tools. We'll explore how these innovations enhance your camping experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the wilderness, these gadgets are designed to make your time in nature more comfortable, safe, and unforgettable. Let's get started. SpaceX Air Camper. Meet the SpaceX Air Camper, an innovative camping trailer designed by a team from Australia aiming to revolutionize the camping experience with their unique and automated solutions. This trailer is a marvel of automation, capable of unfolding and stabilizing itself automatically. It provides sleeping accommodations for 4 adults and 2 children, making it perfect for family trips. The SpaceX Air Camper is packed with built-in appliances to enhance your camping comfort, including a full kitchen with 3 burners, a DVD player, and a 5.3-gallon mini fridge. Despite its luxurious features, this trailer is designed for off-road adventures. It boasts a robust independent suspension system with 4 gas shock absorbers to tackle rough terrains. Additionally, a spare tire is included to ensure you're prepared for any punctures. With a payload capacity of 14 to 30 pounds, the SpaceX Air Camper combines comfort, convenience, and ruggedness, making it an excellent choice for adventurous families looking to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing modern comforts. AdventureMate AM-V2. Introducing the AdventureMate AM-V2, a revolution in outdoor multi-tools that combines versatility, durability, and convenience. Weighing in at just 4.8 pounds, this remarkable tool is designed to replace 5 essential tools, earning its reputation as the Swiss Army knife's big brother. Crafted in the USA with meticulous attention to detail, the AdventureMate AM-V2 features a high-carbon steel axe, optimized for efficient log splitting. The 6.5-inch saw is equipped with a unique blade design that minimizes the risk of jamming, ensuring smooth and reliable cutting. The shovel boasts footrests for added stability and a sharpened cutting edge for maximum efficiency. But that's not all. This multifunctional tool also includes a robust hammer and a versatile hook, perfect for tasks like securing tent pegs and handling various camping and outdoor chores. Its compact design and multifunctionality make it an indispensable companion for any outdoor adventure. Available in 2 colors, the AdventureMate AM-V2 is not only practical, but also stylish. The package includes a special case and a spare saw blade, adding extra value and ensuring you're always prepared for any situation. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors, the AdventureMate AM-V2 is the ultimate tool to elevate your experience. ESPECTRO CAHEO. Did you know Japanese scientists discovered that mosquitoes are more attracted to people who have consumed beer? While the exact reasons are still being studied, it's crucial to find effective ways to protect yourself from these pesky insects. Enter ESPECTRO CAHEO, a clever repellent using warm orange lights that mosquitoes find repulsive. But that's not all. This versatile device also functions as a light, flashlight, and heating pad. Plus, it can recharge your smartphone, with the top version boasting enough capacity to charge an iPhone 13 4 times. In flashlight mode, it can operate for approximately 75 hours. The price is also appealing, as early birds could pre-order it on Kickstarter for just $39. Coleman Connectable Tent. Experience camping like never before with Coleman Connectable Tent. Did you know that 68% of European campsites are nestled in rural areas, offering a unique atmosphere that many people crave to experience with friends? But what if you don't have your own tent? Fear not. Coleman, the renowned American camping brand, has the perfect solution. They offer interconnecting tents that can accommodate 3 or 6 people. For instance, you can easily connect 3 smaller tents to a 6-person tent, creating a cozy campsite hub for friends and family. These tents have undergone rigorous testing to withstand winds exceeding 15 meters per second, ensuring they hold up even in challenging weather. Plus, they feature WeatherTech floors that keep water out, and they come with a rain awning for added protection. With numerous options available, you can find the perfect setup to suit your needs. Invest in outdoor camaraderie and comfort with a set that includes both a 6-person tent and a 3-person tent for just $390. Get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures and make lasting memories with the Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. Coalax Lancer 300. Introducing the Coalax Lancer 300, a groundbreaking backpack exoskeleton designed for photo and video enthusiasts. This innovative gear can hold over 30 liters of equipment, including a drone and a professional camera with a large lens. Its standout feature is a 1.5-meter extendable tripod that rotates 360 degrees, allowing for hands-free operation and unmatched versatility in capturing your shots. Equipped with a powerful 300W battery, the Lancer 300 provides enough power to charge your laptop 4 to 5 times, ensuring you never run out of juice during your adventures. Additionally, the 25-watt solar panel allows for on-the-go recharging, making it perfect for extended outdoor shoots. Currently available for pre-order at $169, the Lancer 300 is set to revolutionize the way you transport and use your photo and video gear. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool for content creators. BOXCO Kit. The BOXCO Kit is your ultimate camping companion, streamlining the process of packing and organizing all your essentials. Whether it's clothes, toiletries, meds, or kitchen gear, this system ensures everything has its place. At the heart of this system is the versatile Hub 50 box. It features a fridge section, a side grid, and 4 compartments for removable containers. These containers are not just for storage. They can also serve as drawers in the accompanying rack organizer, making it easy to access your items when you need them. BOXCO offers pre-made containers tailored for specific uses, such as first aid, hygiene, or water filtration, adding to the convenience. The Hub 50 box is priced at $500, while the rack organizer is available for $220. With the BOXCO Kit, you can pack efficiently and stay organized, making your camping experience smoother and more enjoyable. GEYSER System. The GEYSER System brings the luxury of a hot shower to the great outdoors, without the need for towering columns of boiling water. This portable shower heats water in just 5 minutes, offering 15 minutes of use from only 3 liters of water. This efficiency makes it ideal for personal hygiene, cleaning gear, and rinsing dishes. One of the secrets to its water economy is a sponge attached directly to the hose, ensuring every drop is used effectively. The GEYSER system is user-friendly, easily connecting to 12-volt power sources with its 5-meter-long wire. Despite its robust capabilities, it weighs a mere 6.6 kilogram, making it highly portable. However, this convenience and efficiency come at a cost, with the full shower priced at $320. While it may seem pricey to some, the GEYSER system's features and benefits make it a worthwhile investment for avid campers and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and economical shower solution. Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle. Introducing the Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle, your ultimate culinary companion on the go. This innovative mug goes beyond just heating water. It's your personal chef, capable of cooking up a variety of meals from soups and stews to pasta and popcorn. With its intelligent design, the mug automatically determines the right temperature and cooking time for each dish, ensuring perfect results every time. Once your meal is ready, the kettle shuts off automatically, providing convenience and peace of mind. Powered by a 500-watt output, the Stoke Voltaics electric kettle boils water in just 5 minutes, making it a quick and efficient solution for your cooking needs. With a generous capacity of 470 milliliters, it's ideal for solo adventures or sharing with friends. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness or relaxing at home, this versatile mug is ready to satisfy your hunger. Get yours today for $161 and elevate your outdoor dining experience. Alpcour Portable Toilet and Sink. We spend approximately a year of our lives in the bathroom, a surprising fact uncovered by British scientists. So why not aim for maximum comfort, even with a camping toilet? Introducing the Alpcour Portable Toilet. designed to bring the convenience of home to the great outdoors. This portable toilet fits neatly in a bag, weighs less than 7 kilograms, and holds about 20 liters of waste, making it an excellent companion for your camping adventures. Priced at $150, the Alpcour portable toilet is not only affordable, but also highly practical. Its compact design ensures easy transport and setup, while the generous waste capacity means fewer trips to empty it, allowing you to enjoy your time outdoors with minimal interruptions. For those who value comfort and convenience, the Alpcour portable toilet is a must-have addition to your camping gear. Plus, for an enhanced outdoor experience, complement your Alpcour portable toilet with the Alpcour portable sink. Priced at $125, this portable sink holds 19 liters of water and includes a liquid soap dispenser, good for 100 presses. Both the sink and the toilet are made of HDPE plastic, ensuring they won't corrode, absorb odors, and are easy to clean. The Alpcour portable sink is designed for convenience and hygiene. Its generous water capacity means you can use it for multiple tasks, from washing hands to rinsing dishes. The integrated soap dispenser adds an extra layer of practicality, ensuring you have everything you need in one compact unit. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just need a portable sanitation solution, the Alpcour portable sink and toilet set offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Together, they make a great duo for maintaining hygiene and convenience on the go. Bearwatch Fence. Worried about bears while camping? Your tent might not protect you, but this Canadian invention will. Introducing the Bearwatch Fence, an electric fence specifically designed for camping. For just $241, you get a compact, lightweight version of the fences used by farmers and beekeepers. Covering an area of up to 12 by 12 meters, this fence ensures a secure perimeter around your campsite. Powering the fence is simple. It can be connected to a 12-volt battery using crocodile clips, a USB power supply, or 8 AA batteries that will last for 43 hours. The Bearwatch Fence is also rainproof, adding to its durability and reliability in various weather conditions. Despite its robust features, the common weight of a set starts at only 1.3 kilograms, making it easy to carry. As a bonus, you'll receive a voltage tester for free, ensuring your fence is always operating at optimal efficiency. Enjoy your camping trips with the peace of mind that Bearwatch Fence provides. FIRECAN DELUXE. The FIRECAN DELUXE is a versatile gadget that doubles as a grill and a fire pit alternative. Traditional campfires are often prohibited in many places, but the FIRECAN DELUXE offers a safe and contained solution, fueled by propane instead of wood. This device features 2 separate burners, one for cooking and one for heating. With its 4.5-liter cylinder, it can provide up to 3 hours of use. Weighing in at 6.4 kilograms, it's relatively hefty due to its durable stainless steel construction. Despite its weight, the makers are confident that it's portable enough for outdoor adventures, including trips to the beach. Given its dual functionality and robust build, the FIRECAN DELUXE is priced at $300. Whether you're cooking up a meal or simply enjoying the warmth, this gadget offers a convenient and safe alternative to traditional campfires. Vek Baykal. In the harsh climate of Oymyakon, where warming up your car requires a blowtorch and truckers keep engines running overnight, the Vek Baykal 8 tent proves its worth. Tested in temperatures as low as 57 degrees, this tent stands out due to its impressive 3-layer construction, akin to a thermos, making it one of the best in its class. With such durability, skiing in the Arctic Circle with this tent isn't daunting. Despite its robust build, it weighs only 11.2 kilograms with the frame and can accommodate up to 8 people, ensuring comfort and warmth even in extreme conditions. It's no surprise that the Vek Baykal 8 has been in production for over 25 years. Given its quality and resilience, the price of $953 seems reasonable for those needing reliable shelter in the most unforgiving environments. Igloo Trailmate Cooler. The Igloo Trailmate Cooler is your ultimate companion for outdoor gatherings. With its rugged all-terrain design, including 10-inch wheels and a telescopic handle, it's a breeze to transport over any surface. Weighing 35 pounds and boasting an 18.5-gallon capacity, it can hold up to 112 cans, ensuring no one goes thirsty. But it's not just about storage. It's packed with features like cup holders, bottle openers, umbrella holders, a detachable tray, and even a water-resistant compartment for gadgets. Plus, with thermocool foam and cool riser technology, your ice will stay frozen for up to 4 days, keeping your beverages refreshingly cold throughout your adventure.